Ooh, it's FragWatch here. Woo! With the Fifine H9. Woo! Wired gaming headset, ampli game. Fifine 7.1 for turbo surround sound. Woo! Hey! Oh, it's FragWatch here. Today we're going to be unboxing the Fifine H9 wired gaming headset. Notification, this one was sent out to me for free. I'm not doing an affiliate code or anything like that. My agreement with them is I get to say whatever the fuck I want about this, love or hate. Yeah, it's a budget headset, so trying to keep that in mind. We're trying to, I got a bunch of, I just got the Sennheiser HD 560 HDB, which is a $500 headset. So maybe we'll do that and do a little share and compare against these. I don't know, that's not very fair, or with the Omegas or the Sennheiser 600s or, whatever. But we'll get back to the unboxing of the H9. Here's the box. All right. Oh, I guess we got a little openy boy here. Foldy boy. There, my headset, yeah? All right. We'll just put it on the ground. Hope that I don't run over it. Let me turn off my desktop audio in case I get spammed. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Let me move this. Okay, here we go. There we go. Okay, we got an instruction booklet in case you don't know how to use. Oh, it can do Nintendo Switch. Oh, it's just a 3.5 millimeter cable. Of course it can. Okay. What's in the box? Yeah, I'll get to that set. Yeah. We got a USB DAC, I'm guessing. Does this do... Okay, this is... it's got inbound mic controls too, 7.1 controls on it. Kind of neat. 3.5. It's got a clip, so I guess you clip it to yourself. USB cord. It's not a very long USB. I mean, how many meters? That's probably 2 meters? 6 meters. Am I out of my mind? 6 feet, 2 meters. There we go. Okay. Little DAC. Little DAC. I've heard that. Oh, you have a little DAC. If you can't finish first place on that. Woo! Okay. Headset. Oh, boy. Okay. Not a lot of jiggle there. So if you got a curvy boy head. You know what this reminds me of is the Logitech G Pro headset. Like this, actually, the plastic on it. You got a smiley face. I don't know if you can hear that. Kind of hollow. Could be good. Okay, we got... Oh, that's actually pretty plush. Good clamp force. I don't know. That might wear out. All right, let's put these on. Uh-oh. Okay, let's do 2. Uh-oh. They're not made for FragWatch. Oh, these are like, the bottoms are like pushing out. They're not getting good. It's touching my ear. And that's the unboxing of the H9 by Fifine. The H9 by Fifine. I'll leave this out in case I need it. What the fuck's up? Something else. We got something else. It's an adapt. Oh, the microphone. Is there a... Is this just a... There's no windscreen for this? Uh-oh. No windscreen for the mic. So that hooks up. Let's do that. This unboxing. Okay. Okay. I think this headset's only like $30. So I'm going to try and keep the value to quality ratio intact when I review it. And I'm going to do mainly music listening for the review for quality. I'll do a mic test live with it for the initial impressions of the review. Might do the initial impressions video for these combined. Okay, that's the Fifine H9. I'm going to have to figure out my test platform for this or how to store them on my desk. All right. Catch you guys in the next one. Live stream's continuing. And unbox the other one.